So you want to make your first $1,000 or more with affiliate marketing, or maybe you're already doing affiliate marketing and you want to make more money. So I get asked questions every single day. What is the best way for a beginner who's trying to get into affiliate marketing to make their first $1,000? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing, doing a method that I did when I first started, and it's how I made some of my first income online. Now, you're going to want to follow this video all the way to the end because I show you step by step how you can actually do this method to go and make money online. And affiliate marketing is a great way to make some income online. And I will explain to you more as we go through this video what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Now, in this affiliate marketing tutorial, you won't need a website. So you won't need to go and create a complicated website or anything like that, or a blog. You can do this for free. So I've chosen a free method for you to go and make your first $1,000 because I do understand that people don't want to spend money on advertising or they don't have the money to do that. And this is a great way for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, I do have some bad news, guys, just before we get into this video real quick. We have put the giveaway on hold. So usually people comment below and stuff like that. We're turning comments off at the moment because of all the scammers in the comment section. It's getting out of control and I'm not going to let them scam my followers. So we have turned the comments off for now, but still smash that like button if you find these videos valuable, and we're not sure when we're going to turn the comments back on. And make sure you subscribe so you get videos every single week on how you can make money online. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you how you can make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, so the first thing we need to do in this tutorial is find a product that we can promote. Now, I'll explain to you how this method works as we go along, but we need to find a product to promote. The best way to do that is to go to a website called muncheye.com. And what this website does is it lists products that are getting launched in the market space every single day online. This can be courses, this can be softwares. There's like really lots of products here that you can promote, okay? And we'll talk about how you make money with this in a second. But you can click on these. So what you can actually do, for example, let's go to this one here. You can click on these products and they have what we call a JV page, a joint venture page. And what this joint venture page does is it has information that you can use to promote a specific product, okay? Now, we're not going to go over this product here because I do have another one I want to use as an example in this training, but that's what you do. And you can sign up and get what we call an affiliate link. Now, what is an affiliate link? Let's go over that real quick before we get into this training. What happens is you can send people to a particular product, specifically a product that you find on that website. And then when someone makes a purchase, I know a lot of you guys have heard this before, but we do have a lot of new people to this channel. When someone makes a purchase, the owner of that product gets a commission, gets paid, but you get a commission, okay? So you get a percentage of the sale. It's called affiliate marketing. It's a good way to make money because you don't need your own product. And all you do is go affiliate link here and you can get, it says here, earn up to $218 per sale. But let's go back real quick because I do have a product, and this is a quick tutorial. I do have a product that we can use as an example from someone that I've promoted their products before, and they do very good pages and everything. But what you want to do is you want to look for products, specifically for this method, probably software products, that have clean pages. You can sign up easily. They have prize money that they're giving away. So what you want to do, and now, it depends when this video goes out because this is getting released soon, but there's products coming out every single day. So there's no excuse you can find products. But let's go to this one here from Josh Rata. Now, what I want to do is click on this, and I've got it up right here, okay? And this guy is very good at doing this. So he's all the information here. So he's got the date that it's getting released. He's got the time. He's got everything, right? So they are paying out $20,000 in cash prizes. You can win a car, Beats by Dre, iPad, a Blue Yeti microphone, and they got some cash prizes. So they give out a lot of prizes. You can win prizes and you can get paid affiliate marketing commissions. And they've got all these speed contests and stuff. Now, what you want to do, okay, is you want to go to get your affiliate link. That's the first thing you want to do. Sign up as an affiliate and make sure you can sign up as an affiliate, okay? So request to promote. All of these pages will have that. The second thing is you want to just make sure looks all good, understand what the product is and how it works. So this is some sort of photo editing software, I think. But then also look at what you can make, okay? So this is how much the product's going to be selling for, okay? And these are the upsells. And this is a commission, 50% commission. So you get 50% of this. So if someone buys it for $67, for example, or the $39, you get half of that. If someone buys the $197 upsell, you get half of that, okay? So there's all of these like upsells and commissions that you can make. You want to make sure you're getting around about 50%, split down the middle. That's the best way. Now, the next thing you want to do for this particular tutorial is you want to go up to View Launch Documents. Now, on the View Launch Documents, there's some other information, but more importantly, there is 2 ways that you can contact these people. You want to contact them via email and contact them via this method here, whatever one you get back a reply from. You want to contact them and ask them for a demo example that you can use, okay? You want to have a demo example. They should give you one for free. Say, I'm going to promote this product. Can you please give me a demo example? And they will give you some sort of like login that you can use, and you can go and see the product, and you see how it works and everything, okay? You can go and essentially use this product. And the reason why you want to do this is because this is going to matter when we do our traffic method, okay? So for this section of the training, it's very simple. You want to go to muncheye.com, find some products or a product that you can promote, okay? Mainly in this column here, these are the best ones. There's so much stuff, guys. There's like this one here, for example. They don't have a JV page yet, but there is like this one here. They have a page. And there's all of these products that you can promote to make money from, okay? Really simple. Look at this. So they have everything you need as well. They have paid out over 4.9 million to affiliates. So they're paying out really good money to affiliates. So that's Muncheye in a nutshell, and that's how you can use it to go and find products to promote. Now, the next step is we need to actually focus on getting traffic, and more importantly, free traffic, because you don't want to spend any money. So the next step is very simple, and this is exactly how I started out with doing affiliate marketing a long time ago, and it still works extremely well. What you want to do is you want to head over to YouTube, okay? And what happens is when these products get released, a bunch of affiliates like me and big time affiliates, we promote this product to our email list. But what happens is people want more information about the specific product. So what they do is, for example, this one here, Content Artemis, however you say it. For example, if we go put in Content Artemis review, there is people that are getting ready for when the launch comes out. And when it's launched, people will go and view these videos. This is why you want to have a review video where you can do a video on the product. Now, here's a really good example of someone that does this extremely well. So this guy here, for example, he's got a video here. Now, you don't have to show your face or anything like that. A lot of people don't show their face. But if we go down here, he's got optimized review. And you can also add bonuses, your own bonuses and things like that. So you can give away like PDFs, cheat sheets if you have your own course. You can also go to websites like plrproducts.com, and you can actually get free books and free courses, or you can buy them if you like, but this is a free tutorial. And you can add these as bonuses for people that sign up through your link. So if we go back to optimized review here, you'll see that he has this is his link, okay? So if we click on this, this should take us to the product. And if someone purchases, Jono would get a commission because he simply did a review based on this product. Now, he actually goes over so you don't even have to get a demo if you don't want to. He goes over the page and talks about what's in the product and what kind of bonuses they can get through him. So actually, here we go. He's got access to the course here, to the product. So you want to make sure you actually have access. That's probably the best way to do this. If it's a software, you definitely want to contact these guys and get access to the software. They should give you free access if they know that you're promoting their product. Then what you want to do is you want to upload the video and optimize it, okay? So optimized review here, that the product's called optimized, and review is a keyword that you want to be using. And you can see that Jono here has 1,600 views. Most of these are going to be from people that are searching once the product is actually launched, because the product on here right now, Munch Eye, it hasn't launched yet. So if you can get your content out before everybody else, when it gets launched, you'll get some traffic. So that optimized one is probably down here in the ones that have already launched. Okay, can't see it right there, but this is a perfect example of someone who's doing it right, and he has his links. So another one right here, 900 views, and once again he just goes and looks in the product. You could do this without having your face on the screen. You could just do a screen share like this. You can use something like Camtasia to record your screen, and just make sure in the description you have links, okay, right here. This is your affiliate link, and this is how you're going to build up your first $1,000 online doing affiliate marketing. This is the proof it works. Jono right here is doing it. This is proof that it works. He mixes in a bit of like personal stuff, but if you just do a review channel, like a lot of these other channels like Reviewland, this one here, these don't have views right now because the product hasn't launched. But when this specific product here, called Content Artemis, launches on the 9th of June, all of these videos will start to get views, okay? So we'll have a look here. See, this is the affiliate link right here. All of these videos will start to get views. To get your link, you simply click on Get Links. You sign up as an affiliate by going Request to Promote. Then you'll get sent your affiliate marketing link. Once people click that link, if they make a purchase, you will get paid, and that's how you can make your first $1,000 online for free. This is the easiest way. You don't need a website or anything like that. If you want some more tutorials on how you can make money online, click the videos on the screen that will take you through step-by-step other methods that you can make money with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.